Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod here. Today we are going to explore a question that I had. What do? You have a family member you want to bring over. Let's say, for instance, they're a brother or a sister, and they're interested in other options in coming to the United States. So let's explore that. As you know, let's back up here. Brother-sister petitions are taking a long time, like 10 plus years or longer. As of today. Now, those times could go longer or shorter. I haven't seen them really become a lot shorter in a while. I don't expect it to become shorter. So let's look at some other ways. Well, there's a possibility of the H-1B visa. You could have an employer sponsor that individual to come and work in the United States. They'd have to have, of course, a job offer, and they would be willing to sponsor them. They would need to have a bachelor's degree or higher in order to be in the United States and work on an H-1B visa. The job itself requires specialized knowledge. So an example of this would be a software engineer, an architect. Those are typical kinds of jobs that would qualify for an H-1B. Now the tricky part here is there's a filing on April 1st and for October 1st start date unless you are CAP exempt. In most cases, the application is filed April 1st. Another good option is an L1 visa. L1 visa would be a situation where you're working for a multinational company and they have an office abroad here. You work for more than 1 year in that multinational company, and then they also are working for the company here as an executive or manager or as a specialized knowledge worker. Another option would be an O1 visa, where you're at the top of your field, you have a lot of publications, you've done a lot of research, presentations, and you have an employer that's sponsoring you. You could also proceed on the green card route as well, employment-based. That typically also requires employment sponsorship, except in the situation of a national interest waiver. National interest waiver is a great option if you're, for instance, doing something that would be benefiting the nation as a whole. So for instance, cancer research, you have publications that are cited. You also are doing something that you could be demonstrated, where when you come to the United States, it's going to be something that you're going to be able to further that research and continue to promote, and you have the ability to promote that research. So that could be a possibility as well. I invite you to contact us at 916-613-3553 or to subscribe to learn more about your options. And I'll talk to you next week. Thanks. Have an amazing day.